Hey everybody, my name is Jared Walker, and I just wanted to give my thoughts on Daily Fulfill and what I ultimately think about the company. So, I've been working with Daily Fulfill for about 7 months now, and I really have nothing but great things to say. So, I came to them with an Aliexpress link, and I needed better pricing on that specific product. Now, keep in mind, I was already doing a good amount of orders per day, about 50. And I came to Summer, my agent at the time, and she really helped me find a better price, and not only a better price, but a better shipping option. And shipping is very key in drop shipping because everything is going to take at least 30 days if you're just ordering on AliExpress. So I really recommend checking out Daily Fulfill because number one, they have the best shipping options and the team is very cooperative. If you find a better shipping option, they will work with you, but they have great options to begin with. So I really recommend checking out Daily Fulfill for anything product sourcing because they're truly the best.